Hello, fifth grade. Today, you need to have your piece of paper that you wrote down all of your color wheel colors and your eye project. Step 1, Sharpie your eye. Everything we did yesterday, you are going to Sharpie. Step 2, get a decent eraser and you will, after you've Sharpied, go back and erase any pencil lines or smudges that you can see. Step 3, and the last step for today, using your chart, begin to color. It does not matter where you start. So yellow can be any of these spots. Let's say you put yellow here. This one next would be yellow, green, green, blue, green, and you'll move around, okay? And make sure you do not color your reflections. And I would prefer that you colored in colored pencil, but you need to make sure you have all of these colors before you start. If you want to do this in watercolor, you absolutely can try to do that. You will be mixing all of your intermediate colors, okay? Crayons are also acceptable, but I want you to take your time and do a nice job. All right? You have work time, so please get started.